Ladies and gentlemen,
BCRFM, pumping beat of Vegas.
Ulalele iBomb City Sound ku BCRFM 104.1 the pumping beat of Vegas. Ngishilo mangibuya la kuthi kuneliphimbo lelitawukhuluma 10,000 so nawe nje uma unenhlanhla ungakhona ukukhipha 10,000 words ngiyacabanga kuniketa lo 10,000 lami libito ke ngingi-Prince Valley on the line ke nginathamthama uvela ku mic check nami ndothi mic check 1 2 thamthama on the line
10,000 rand just for spoken words. Cabanga.
Wabona mina ngiyajabula ukukhuluma nawe ke uke wavakasha la khaya kakhulu bowungakalethi imali.
Uthanda imali Prince.
Ngithandzana lokuhleleni kwendela sifundza tsempumalanga angiqale ngikwamukele la ku Bomb City Sound ukahle.
Kahle kakhulu ngiyajabula kuba khona nami la Bomb City Sound.
Ukahle nasepocketini vele bonge uqale uthi awukho kahle. Unemlaleli uvile mina ngichecka yakho imic ingcono so uyavakala la moyeni icala good introducer wena so sithulela mhlambe ne mic check because ni episode 4 kunemuntu mhlambe longana idea locala kuva nyalo mina sengivetene ma secret kuthi sekuna 10,000 ungubani yini role yakho ku mic check then yini mic check.
Well, siyajabula ukuthi sivele sangena endzabeni ngoba vele indzaba kuyo 10,000 rand lo sibasiniketa yena sonkondlo lo toba aphume number 1 ku Battlefield i mic check poetry battle ne.
Yes.
Mina ngingikhamtham ngiyoke i-host yayo i-poetry battle yethu. I think I've been an advocate for poetry for some time. Sisusile ke emsakatweni besina i-battle lebesiyenda ehlelweni lethu emsakatweni ke phanyalo siya straight on stage lapho bosonkondlo bataba bahlangene khona ke lo tawuphuma ke yena Samile after ama stages lapha kuyo i-mic check le mic check lo check usho licheke
yey
ukuthi kulo muntu lo toba ahamba nelicheke phela la 10,000 rand nyalo kule competition lesitoba sinayo
uthi yaqala emsakatweni
yaqala emsakatweni lapho nje besenda hayi bekungana lichekele siliniketa kodwa 2023 ngila siqale khona ke kuniketa bantu licheke siqale ku 1,000 rand saya ku 2.5 lapho ne comedian futhi yase Bhaptini Luyanda Maseko naye wahamba nje ekhana 2.5 sine comedy battle lapha eNkomazi sakhuphuka sathi 5,000 rand kanye nyalo sethi 10,000 rand ke bonsonkondlo bangangenela ke nabo babe nayo opportunity yokuthola 10,000 rand
kuhle lokhuphuka ngicela singakusabi nakumiliyoni kufuna sifike la
zero siyabangeda
kwenda so mabomu because I'm happy ukuthi ni independent la akuveli ukuthi unabo bani umuntu angabuda ukuthi yini wena le kwende waba interesting because unesikhathi uvela usicala emsakatweni uhlangana kanjani wena nenkondlo ngoba ukhuluma ngabo sonkondlo uzuyasho ukuthi wena uyihost lokusho ukuthi vela ucabani namuntu wena la ngeke ukuthi okay lecheke mhlambe khona lo mbukile so yini le kwende waba interested mhlambe kwenda nayi competition yepoetry.
I think most of the time, poetry does not pay because with space we can say it's a whole lot of music and other things, but not a lot of attention was given to poetry. So as a poet myself, I decided, no man, there has to be a platform to celebrate our spoken words. And what more to find that are talented in what they are doing than to host a battle to battle out. And I have to say, le process le or le sinqumo leso sende sahlangana man sa collaborators sima poets lamaning, which is really the encouragement behind mic check ukuthi let us not only compete but collaborate.
Ngijabula ukuthi sikhulume ngesicalo la kufuneka kube nesiphetho la uyabona nanyalo semsakatweni kude lesikuphetha kona ngala kufuna niqhubeka nale competition sak episode 4 sayini let's okay bese radweni bentendela inkondlo ukhuluma nangocollaborate ukuthi nyalo no asesicale lo mncintiswano ke nyalo
njengoba ngishilo to encourage spoken words sisho ke ukuthi poetry pays. Poetry pays and kuya ngale effort Prince go process nakhona ngingenela lo mncintiswano because the battle starts when you send your 1-minute video. la kuba khona ne-selection process where poets get selected by i-creativity labayikhombisako in the poetries that they recite, and also just the confidence and the writing skill behind lokubak recitako that in the videos that they are sending. And then from lapho they get selected to be on the battlefield, which is the stage on the day where kutoba nema rounds, different rounds for, you know, to stretch creativity yomuntu ukuthi really wena uthi ngisonkondlo, but how far can you go in your poetry? Sifuna kubona lokho ke kuma check ukuthi how far are you willing to learn from the others, not only to see them as a competition, because now yalfuna le check, but also just to learn ukuthi okay, nami ngenda so kule round lelandzelako can actually get a chance to go further in the competition.
Angafiki lula episode 4 na kule check lesona mangifuna nje sifike lula la njengoba sofuna kubanika wena fast information siqale 2013 yabona. So ngifuna athi nemuntu ukuthi makafika la naye kunebantu akatokhompete nabo ngijabulele ukuthi wena hey kune process la angaqhamuka umuntu sekabona 10 nje so afuna kudlala ngazi. So uma ngiqala 2023 ne yeah ngwaphi mhlambe ma struggles lebukene nawo bowuqala bowungathi lutho mhlambe ene uthole ukuthi bekude lenye competition, so konke kwakwenda ukuthi kubukane nawe mhlambe kude lebukele kubo ngwaphi ma struggle lewabukana nawo?
Well, nibe nayo inhlanhla ngathi uyabona uma une idea sometimes you share nebantu, and I just happened ukuthi I shared with the right person that tapped into the vision wangikhombisa ne-support kakhulu e-TCR. I now believe that is the home of Mic Check. Sathi man asike sizame lento from the nothing that we have. Ngifuna kusho nje ukuthi le check has always been an offering ukuthi let's this be my tithe to poetry. Sibone ukuthi if host a competition and call out people sisho ukuthi kumele shake la malini angeke size siwathole yini ma poets iqale lenvo yaba invo yasenkomazi sabona ukuthi no man, this is not a Nkomazi thing. Let us expand it to the province in Mpumalanga. And as we grew kuleyo concept and just calling poets to come and compete, we were lucky enough in episode 3 to get a sponsor.
Yes, congratulations.
It was sponsored in episode 3, 5,000 rand check. And Sabona, people wanted more, actually. So we're like, okay, why not? Let's add a couple of zeros to the check and see what will happen. And manje, bam, poets from KZN, poets from Gauteng, poets from Mpumalanga are going to be there on the 28th. It is really exciting.
Ngiyayithanda lento loyikhuluma la lokuthi wena they wanted some more, that's why na le company leya bathi eat some more, because masidla sifuna kuphela lapha uyabona. So i-TCR isemalelane le competition less i-based eMpumalanga kusasiya seMpumalanga nyalo usho njalo wena?
Yes,
ngikutshelile ukuthi
yeah, based la eMpumalanga, but it is a South Africa thing because other provinces are responding to the call. It is an open call to anybody who will be able to make it to the venue on the day.
Uyabona lesikhathi ngingabatshela lula I'm happy ke nyalo ke lento leshoko semcucelano ke lo serious lo umuntu angathi awufuna noma uyindoda sorry kufuna uyethola ama case alikahosi ngekusida moto phakamisa la uyabona. Okay, I'm listening to this. Ngibonile iphumile na ya ama poster ahlukahlukene, ngibonile nema artists la toba khona. Then mhlambe ngifuna kuva kahle lama details ngwabone amancane. Ngingenela njani already ushilo ukuthi okay ngifaka i1 minute video ngingenela njani yana?
All right, uthumela ke I video yakho ya 1 minute to 084 674 6877. 1 minute to 084 674 6877. Uthumela video yakho yenkondlo yakho uloyikhetha wena itopic yakho ufuna kubona ukuthi I-creativity yakho, how creative are you as a poet, and then lapho it's the selection process. Ngicela kusho ukuthi mhla ka 15 June i-selection process iyavala, so if you still want to stand a chance of going home with the 10,000 rand check, please send your video as soon as possible. And then after the process layer, okay, we'll be waiting to hear that are going to be on that stage on that day. Sine co-host who is going to also be my guest, Nomonde Sky, a well-known and loved poet in the country. And Nama Jaji, our guest judges, Tulani Mtweni, Ganye, na Hamilton Dlamini. So it's going to be one hell of a show.
Yeah, no, umuntu ujabulile lomunye ujabulela kusinet ungenele competition ya 10,000 net ngoba kude yini wooden mic kumbe ma golden mic, but this is a serious thing. So kokucala nje bengifuna kusho serious ngilohlanganisa konke ngingahlanganise nepoetry. Siyawujabulela umsebenzi lo letsela former artist alakhaya lasifundeni setsela Mpumalanga. Good lapha to developer kufuna si develop etsine. So I'm happy ukuthi uthethe the initiative wathi wena no mina ngifuna kuwena ngilothatha mina ngithi beke emuva then bese ngibeka ama artists asekhaya phambili ngende ukuthi wabuka wena kude lapha sibeka phambili. So akube ngithi lokunye angiba blame because my supporters akusima artist. So wena vele as an artist kufuna uthathe irresponsibility. So I'm happy ngaloko, si proud ngawe. Angeke ubone because anwendela asisingithini ngoba namfuna lo 10,000 sang Prince the poet nje nyana. So yayibo, so sijabulela kakhulu lokhu ne team yakho because une team ngeke mhlawumbe kwende kodwa nabuka ngijabulela nalabo abakuchasako lokusapha emalilana bakhona nokunika indzawo bekufuna nje mawufika bathi nivelaphi nina ngoba sinathi sengazi sinibona but banisupportile buka nyalo ipoetry uyende yaba serious.
Yeah, very true.
Lokunya uthi ngibute wena ngingaze ngigeke mhlambe bosonkondla bababook for le mali le.
Yeah, true.
Very,
very true. And njengoba ushile ekuqaleni yathi ukuthi sinalisifiso ukuthi labo zero baphokungedeke. If we get to 1 million one day, that's where we are going to go. But the check, every time there's an episode, there's more to the check. That is the most exciting thing. If we don't invest in ourselves, in the arts that we are doing, then how are we going to be taken seriously? If this is my offering to poetry, how else were other people going to see what we are doing to actually pitch in where they can?
Yabona. So ngijabula nalo preach in ngoba khona la ngiyakhona Sunday kunemuntu los already offering so ibhadalile lo nene sontweni so ufuna kuletha i-offering la ku mic check nyalo bakulandzela kuphi ukuthi ba assist because isikhulumile ngalaba yocudzela labo bayolithatha leli check lelo bathi risk now labafuna ngeta la kulabo zero bakulandzela ku.
Of course, more than welcome. In fact, sijabulela kakhulu, whether it's a local business or now personally, I really want to offer in this initiative. Ngiroke ukuthi ungithole ku 0846746877 noma ulandzeleke le page Tam Duli on Facebook, where all the information about mic check ikhona khona.
No, siyabonga ukuthi uthethe lithuba sathi ukukhuluma nawe kule mic le sakhuluma nangale lisheke sibonga nalo umsebenzi lo wendako again umuhle uyancomeka kufuna senibungade nisaphila nani la my hero age ku art la Mpumalanga. So yeah, siyabonga, we happy ngiyacabanga nema artist ajabule asatojabula futhi and lokunye kuyojabula nebatali because the mali angeke ichinshele labantwana le nibendela lokhu kuphela. Yeah, iyo chincha nalabatali lokunye kuyawa inspire ma artist alakhaya because ukuthi lokhu kwathathe serious nene ngisho ukuthi ibooking ayikho lenje especially ku poetry. So thank you very much.
Of course, that's true.
No, sibongile nokuba nawe la, siyabonga Thamthamba.
Thank you so much, Bill.
Close